I'm gonna show you how to make Dora the Explorer's backpack. So if you've wanted Dora's backpack for whatever reason, you don't need a reason to want Dora's backpack. It's a cool backpack. But if you want it for your kids, or yourself, or your cosplay, or whatever, here is how to make a dope version of Dora's backpack. I saw a cosplayer in Thailand cosplay Dora the Explorer, and she was perfect. She just looked like Dora right off the screen. Like, she really looked like Dora the Explorer, right down to those flat fringes and bangs, and it really inspired me to do my own Dora the Explorer cosplay version. So here's how I made the backpack. I found EVA foam that was purple, so I didn't have to paint it. I knew the build would be really simple, and if I got the seams decent looking, I wouldn't need to paint it. So if you can't find that, don't worry, you can just make the backpack like this and then primer it in Mod Podge or just white glue and paint it. I cut out the basic shapes I would need for the backpack. So I used an X-Acto blade, a Sharpie, the EVA foam, and hot glue, which isn't always the best for working with EVA foam, and it can be messy, but you know what? I am here, where are we? In Vietnam. So, you know, I don't know, like I'm in Da Nang in Vietnam. It's not quite as accessible as where I was in Canada. I don't have like Canadian Tire and Walmart at my fingertips. So I'm just using my hot glue gun. I cut out the pieces I want and just glued them together, and it was pretty simple to make that backpack shape. I didn't even have a heat gun here to heat up the foam. So I just put the EVA foam out on my deck where the air conditioner is running, and I think it heated it up almost sufficiently for me to bend and mold it a little bit. I also got some Velcro because I want this backpack to have some real functionality on the flap. Now I have the basic shapes cut out, I just gotta glue them together. Because I'm using hot glue, I have to hold it in position for a long time. And if you're working with hot glue, it is definitely great to have a friend, or else you might find some frustrating hot glue moments coming your way. Now that I have the basic shape of the backpack done, it's time to get the straps on the go. I pretty much freehand cut this. There's no template for it. You can just look at what I did and do it yourself. But if you need a template, maybe I'll make you one, you know, just get at me in the comments bar. Anyway, I cut out the straps, and I just looked at some straps on a real school bag and tried to glue them in the same fashion. And then I took another piece and cut out a rectangle and just rolled it up to be the drink holster where the map is going to go. For the map, I just basically made my own map and drew the face on it, you know, copying the face on the map in the Dora show, and then I had it laminated. If you have a school or a university or whatever that you're a part of, they probably have a laminator you can use, but if not, you may have to go to a print shop if you want your map laminated. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the face on the backpack, but the backpack doesn't always have his face showing in the Dora show, so I'm doing a faceless backpack build. Okay, so you have all your pieces cut out and your straps glued on. You have your drink holster in. Let's finish the backpack and put the Velcro on. If you're using hot glue like I did, don't use too much when applying the Velcro because you don't want it like oozing out over the sides or whatever the case. Having said that, you want to go pretty close to the edges of the Velcro because if you don't, that could cause a tearing sensation on the glue every time you remove the Velcro, causing the glue to eventually wear and fall off. So please put the glue close to the edges on your Velcro piece if you're using Velcro. That's about it for my Dora backpack. I mean, you know, it's just like kind of like showing you what I did for this build because it's not too complicated. But if you have any questions about it, definitely get at me in the comments bar below. And if you'd like to see me do a particular cosplay build, let me know, guys. Thanks so much for watching my Dora cosplay backpack video. Be sure to check out my other nerdy videos and subscribe. Lots of love, guys. Cheers.